Displaying your patriotic pride with an American flag is the perfect way to honor our heroes ahead of Memorial Day weekend.
Our friend home contractor Skip Bedell is going to show us how, while also giving back to veterans. Skip, good morning. What do you got?
Hey, good morning, Pete. Yes, with Memorial Day right around the corner, listen, it's a great time to display your love for veterans, both fallen and here with us. And Atlantic Flag and Pole makes it easy to do that with their home flagpole kit. So this is a great company. They're a small family-owned business. They use all-American products and all-American labor, so everything is made right here in America. We have an installation video here we can go ahead and show. We're here at my brother John's house. We just installed this flagpole in the back. It took only about 15 minutes to install. It's a very simple process. Just dig the hole, mix up a bag of concrete, you put the installation sleeve in. We came out this morning and put the pole in. It was just that simple. It comes with a great bundle of things that are included. You have the installation sleeve. It has 2 flags. It comes with the United States flag and also the Support Our Troops flags. John's going to show you how easy it is to work right now. So this has swivel rings, a swivel 360, it telescopes, so it doesn't require any ropes or pulleys, which is great. You also have with this bundle the flash ring that covers the ground, and most importantly here, Pete, we got an LED light that goes up on the top that comes on from dusk to dawn, because you never want to fly your American flag in the dark. It has a gold bull topper, and you have options of all the branches of the military on here as well. So as you can see, it's really, really easy to operate. It has a 95-mile-an-hour wind rating, and it also comes with a lifetime warranty. So it makes it a great way to install the flagpole at your home and show your support and patriotism. But Pete, the best part of this whole program, of this whole bundle from Atlantic Flag and Pole, is that a portion from the sale from every bundle is going to go to Canines for Warriors. They're an amazing foundation. You helped us get it set up. They're the largest of their kind in the United States. They go around the country and they rescue dogs in shelters, and they train them to be service dogs, and they pair them up with veterans that are suffering from the effects of PTSD. So I'm really honored to have them here with us today. They're not only saving the lives of dogs, but also the lives of veterans. We have retired Master Sergeant David Crenshaw here with us today. We got your flagpole down. Hey, Dave, how you doing?
How you doing, Skip?
Nice to see you, man.
Likewise.
Tell us about your experience with Canines for Warriors.
Yeah, so like most veterans, I came home, started to suffer from PTSD as a result of my tours in Iraq. And I needed, one of my main things was survivor's guilt, one of the things I had. And that was what led me to Canines for Warriors. They had a program after other treatments weren't working that kind of allowed me to advocate for myself. And with survivor's guilt and the program they had, it allowed me to save a dog. So in that way, it started to relieve my guilt that I was having from survivor's guilt. But at the same time as saving him, he's saving me. And it's just a great program that they do, you know, something that allows veterans to advocate for themselves instead of doing the traditional treatments that are kind of thrown down their throat.
Yeah, and they're the largest of their kind, so it's really an amazing organization. And thank you so much for your service.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here with us today with your dog, Doc, who's just amazing. Canines for Warriors is an incredible organization, and Atlantic Flag and Pole, of course, is donating a portion of the proceeds from every one of these sales of bundles to help out not only the dogs, but to help out also the vets. So be sure to go to their website, atlanticflagpole.com. You can check out, they have a whole landing page set up there to where you can make a donation and buy a kit today.
All right, Skip, thank you so much.
You're a patriot. Thank you, Skip. Awesome stuff.
Thank you, guys.
You bet. And remember, you at home can purchase a Memorial Day flag bundle with the donation to Canines for Warriors. Visit atlanticflagpole.com.